Hai Kak Ana, hello. Ana mau fans pagi hari ni. And instead of posting it on my story, I thought it'd be more fun kalau Ana buat live. Pukul berapa kat sini? 12:30. So, I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys what I got. So, terima kasih kepada semua yang datang hari ni. I appreciate you guys so much. Sorry, Ana, penat sangat. How's Indonesia? I love it. I miss home, but I love it here as well. Okay, I'm gonna start. Energy Twitter Gang. Thank you so much. I'm gonna come to set and be like, and no one's allowed to touch this. Because it's so beautiful. It's me if I was a Starbucks tumbler. Okay. Hi, Sky. Who's calling?
What?
Who's calling?
Huh?
Is Sean calling?
Shasha.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anyways, I'm with Irene. Let's start. So there was a bag. Ada berapa gifts yang gak ada surat ke apa-apa. So I don't know who gave them. So please let me know. Yeah. So there's a bag and it had this in it. It's a hat and it's super cute. Bewitches by Ambition. Super cute. And then someone also sent me these slippers, which are so cute. Everything's purple. So yeah, so cute. And then I got a little bag. Phenomena. Thank you so much for the coffee truck. I loved it. It was so cute. The matcha was so cute. Ooh, that's so cute. I could put stuff in here like makeup ataupun apa-apa. And I got that one. Yeah, so I don't think I got anything else in that bag. Got headbands too, super cute. I also got this one shirt. It's really nice. Mungkin akan pakai one of these days before I get up. Okay, anyways, let's move on. The slippers were from Nafisa. So thank you so much, Nafisa. Okay, yo. Okay. This I think this is not in the. Some of the notes are like mixed up, so I'm not quite sure. That's why I bought live. So kalau korang, I'm sorry if I don't know who it's from. But thank you. Thank you so much for all the makanan and everything. So good. Kita orang makan masa kita. When we're in the car driving, we eat the food. So like enak banget. It's so good. I took some. Everyone else took some. Mama nak suruh tidur. Sabarlah Mama. Tunggu jap Mama. Wait, this is so cute. Wait, I love this. It's so nice. Is this for me? Or is it for Mimi? I'm not sure. There's some presents for Mimi, but I hope this one's for me. That's so cute. I love that. And then I got a phone case. Sorry if the phone case doesn't fit your phone. It doesn't fit my phone, but it's so cute. Thank you anyway. That's so cute. It doesn't fit my phone, but thank you. So cute. I think that's for Mimi. Well, I'm gonna take it. Untuk Mimi ke? Is this for Mimi? Are you sure? Nanti I tanya dia kalau dia nak. So I will take it. Curly Joe joined. Okay. Welcome to Indonesia, Anna. I hope you feel at home and back happy in Jakarta. If you come back to Malaysia, I'm very sad. What if I miss you? But you have to promise to come back to Jakarta again, okay? I'll be waiting for you. Jakarta, like the title of the song, Mimi's waiting, menunggu. From Liana out. Liana WD. Liana. Thank you. What is this? Okay, I think that was for Mimi and this one's for me. Oh my god. Irene, look. She's not paying attention to me. That is the cutest thing ever. Itu baju for lelaki. Well, you know what? I'm sure I can fit it too. Okay, this looks really bad because I'm wearing a sweater. But this is so cute. Thank you. I love this. Aww. I love when you guys get me clothes. And I suka sangat bila korang bagi Ana baju or anything Ana boleh pakai because I do wear it. I do wear it. Next. Okay. This one. Who is it from? Say it's from anyone. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure who it's from. Baju semua Ana akan letak kat sini. Okay, I got this hat. I'm not sure who gave it to me. Guys, I have it satu bagi. But love. And I also got this as well. Berapa lama Ana di Indo? Ana nak balik dah. Banyak nak kena bawa KL ke? I don't know yet. Jangan stay Indo je lah. Okay, anyways, let's go. Kenapa tak tidur? Sebab nak ni kapan shoot Mula Untuk Kedau season 2? January. Aww, stocking. These are socks. They're so cute. Thank you. I love socks. Cute. Okay. I'll put this over here. That is trash. Belum tidur, belum. I'm doing unboxing. Ooh. This is from Hi Anna J. Thank you for being you. You're one of the most beautiful things in this world. I hope your career is rising more than now. Always stay healthy and happy life with your family. And of course, I love you, Anna J. Your secret admirer. My hair's a bit mess. Why do you like purple? I don't know, it just makes me calm. Rambut chocolate to astika, I guess. This is my original hair color. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you. It's like a little clip. It's all purple. Everything I get is purple, if you can see it. But can you see it? Okay, anyways. Purple clip. That is so cute. And then purple headband. So cute. If I, it's gonna look so bad, but so bila Ana cuci muka, mana boleh guna ni? I'll show Irene.
What? What?
Do you like my...
What?
Do you like my...
I still do live.
I still do live.
That's so cute.
Alright.
What else do you get?
I got so many hats. So I got this. This is so cute.
Oh, this one is so
Hey,
nice.
is this... Do you think this is...
blouse?
It's like
Oh,
a...
that's so nice.
Is this Meme's or mine? I feel like it's Meme's.
I think it's Mommy's. It does like a shirt. Right?
I can wear anything. It's okay.
What is this? Like a blouse?
That is so gentle. So yes, thank you to my secret
Oh,
admirer.
I can't see the first.
Moving on. Oh, I only have a little bit left. I got this. Where is the card? But I
Let me try this one.
No, I haven't. I wrote it. I got a huge bouquet. It's so big. Do you remember who gave this to me? Oh, who gave it to me? Where's the card? Sometimes, minta maaf ya, kadang-kadang. Did I manage to record a vlog today? Yes. Okay, guys. Ana dah record vlog untuk setiap hari. Cuma Ana belum edit lagi sebab Ana agak malas juga ya. But yeah. Thank you to whoever gave this. Kadang-kadang the cards like fall off or they get mixed up, and I just it makes me so stressed. Okay. Ada banyak makanan. But what is that? What is that? A keychain? Oh, it's for
Everyone gets one.
That's
Everyone gets one.
Nasa ba yung tengok tu?
Bangshon, Faiz.
Faiz, Bangshon.
This is so cute, bro.
Do I get one? Bang Joe. Joe gets one. Anna J. Okay. Do you want to keep these?
Yeah. I'm gonna give the Faiz and Joe.
Okay. Yep. The last one.
What is that?
I don't know who it's from. I don't know who it's from. I have a photo shoot tomorrow.
Yeah.
Nah, ada photo shoot esok pagi ya. Penat banget ya. Hey. Hey. Oh, it's one of those like LED stands. Like, you guys are so creative and cute. Do you hear the disco music? I feel like Luzon is like having a party next door. It is so cute. Welcome to Indonesia. Mirna Gang's Indonesia. Okay, I think this is from Mirna Gang. But hey, hello. Anna J. Can't see it, but it's so cute. Thank you so much. That's the LED stuff. And then last but not least, before I have to go to sleep. Oh, it's another one. It's for the charity that Lena Gang and Energy Twitter Gang did. Yeah. Aww. Little light stand. That is so cute. Share to Care Charity Project Energy Twitter Gang X Mirna Gangs Indonesia Kantong Kasih Energy Share to Care Jakarta November 2022. Thank you so much. And that's it. There's so much food, but the food is in some of the other rooms. But thank you so much. I'm just reading some of the comments. Stay healthy. Thank you, Frida. Guys, Ana ada all the vlogs. Jangan risau, Ana ada. Cuma Ana belum edit lagi sebab Ana tak ada masa sangat. But hopefully bila Ana balik KL, I can post all the vlogs. Oh, I'm so tired. Bouquets from Peminat, that's what I thought so. Yeah. Anna, you are so loved. I know. Thank you guys for making me feel loved. Hi Anna from Philippines. Hi guys. Okay guys, Anna mau pergi mandi semua sebab esok pagi Anna ada photo shoot. So yeah. Good night guys. Thank you so much for all the presents. You guys are crazy. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. I have to clean everything, but yeah. Oh man, buat apa kat sini? Go to sleep. You need to rest. See you tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for everything. Thank you pada semua yang datang jauh untuk jumpa Anna hari ini. I appreciate it so much. And I love you guys so much. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Nah, mantap. Ana minta maaf kalau ada salah silap, kalau Ana tercakap salah ke. So yeah, good night. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Bye bye guys. Selamat malam. Assalamualaikum.